Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Printful. So let me take you to the website, which is printful.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Printful is a leading print-on-demand and dropshipping platform that enables entrepreneurs, creators, and businesses to sell custom designed products without holding inventory. The platform integrates with major e-commerce marketplaces and website builders, offering fulfillment, printing, warehousing, and global shipping services. So what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and start utilizing them if you are looking for a platform like this. But that's not exactly why we're here. As usual, we are here to earn money, and this time from Printful. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we'll receive the commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote them in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your location or the location of your consumers, so long as Printful provide the services to the location of your consumers, you can bring sales to them and you can continue to receive commission from Printful, of course, on all the valid sales. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, once you're on their website, you can scroll down till the footer section, and over here you can click on affiliate program. It will take you to their affiliate program page. Over here you can say join the Printful affiliate program, share your affiliate link and earn 10% commission on entire sale value every time someone orders through your refer. We shall talk about it shortly. Who is Printful's affiliate program for? Well, Print on Demand affiliate program is a perfect fit for affiliate marketers, bloggers, YouTubers, marketing agencies, independent creators, and online store owners. So it covers a majority of a set of affiliates. That means you stand a very good chance of getting the approval. Why join Printful's affiliate program? You get flexible payouts through PayPal, leading printing affiliate programs trusted by creators worldwide, track customer orders, locust way for your audience, and $25 for Printful Growth Plan refers, earn money faster, boost your credibility, and fastest growing affiliate opportunities you got with them. And then how to earn for Printful's affiliate program. You apply online, get approved within 5 business days, share your referral link, and earn commission. So talking about commission rate, you can expect to receive 10% of entire sale you first make for 12 months. That means you referred someone to Printful, and so long as they will be buying stuff, making sales, you will be receiving 10% of that amount for the next 12 months. That's great to see. And if you scroll down, you get to see more. So join their print on demand affiliate program to earn big. How much would it be? Let's say you're getting 10% commission and you're bringing 10 new customers to them, and each customer is buying the product worth around $20, and there's one sale a day by your referred customer. So you can expect to receive 5,535 for the 12 month. This is the lowest I'm talking about. What if you have around 10 sales a day by each referral of yours? Imagine the commission you'll be earning. So it's a great opportunity if you could refer the people to Printful and they continue to make sales or bring sales to Printful. Now, if you scroll down, you can see Printful in numbers. So 536 products to customize, 1 million plus items fulfilled each month, 22 integration partners, 141 million items trusted to deliver. And then you got on $25 on top of 10% commission for every first time Printful growth subscription made by your referred customers. So it's a bonus you're going to get on top of it. Then you got why promote Printful as an affiliate. So you got zero upfront investment needed, extensive branding options, no minimums requirement, global fulfillment, 536 premium products, and built-in design maker. Then these are some affiliate marketing tips. You got Printful's marketing materials and promotional materials. Then you can also send updates through email marketing. Then you can track clicks and sales, share promotional content like tutorial case studies and all those things. And then we got new to affiliate marketing. Start here, see how to join an affiliate program and set yourself up for success. So you can explore these things as well if you prefer. Then we got frequently asked question. So anything that isn't covered in this video, you can explore this section, find the answer yourself as well. And if you still have more question, then you can reach out to them at this email address, that is affiliate@printful.com. Now, let's say you've read it all and you want to apply for the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll up till the section where it says Let's Go. Click here on Let's Go. It will take you to the registration form, free access to all Printful tools. So at this stage, you're creating an account with Printful. You can sign up with your email address, Google or Apple. I'm going to go with Google. You can choose your method as well. And then, of course, you can complete the authentication using that email account of yours. Once you have completed the authentication, it will take you to the next screen where it will ask you for your full name. Now, all the information I'm going to mention here, there will be dummy just for the educational purpose. In your case, ensure you write the details correctly, accurately, so that Printful can decide and approve your application. So I'm going to write John, Alan, you're going to write your full name, email address, that whatever you authenticated. If you want to give phone number, give that. Click on terms of service, privacy policy, read through these as well, check mark this, and then click on sign up. What it will do, it will register yourself and you will have an account with Printful, and it will also forward you directly to the affiliate registration. So as you can see, we are currently in Printful dashboard, but we are also looking at the affiliate registration. So you can start filling the details here as well. Again, all the information that I'm going to write here, there will be dummy just for the educational purpose. You write your information accurately. So you have to mention your first and last name. Again, I'm going to write John LNU. What is your experience in affiliate marketing? Choose from here. I'm going to go with advanced. You can choose between beginner, intermediate, advanced, or expert. How would you best describe yourself? Well, I'm a YouTuber and an influencer as well. You can choose the one that suits you. Where do you plan to promote Printful? Well, I intend to promote them on my social media account, and that is YouTube. And then I have to mention my profile URL as well. So let me paste a dummy URL. Same way, you can choose your method of promoting them and then also give the URL or details accordingly. Then select a country that you primarily operate in. Well, I'm gonna go with the United States of America. You can also choose the one where your primary operates in. Which language do you create content in? Well, I always go with English. You can choose your languages as well. How do you discover the Printful affiliate program? Well, so a video or read an article. You might want to go with this or any other thing. Well, I'm gonna go with search engine, Google, Bing, etc. Tell us more about you. Please provide relevant information about your business or marketing capabilities to help us better evaluate your application. This is extremely important. So whatever you're going to write, that will help Printful decide whether you are best suited for their affiliate program or not. So ensure you write something good about yourself, about your business model. For me, I'm again going to write some dummy text just for the education purpose. Then you got I agree to Printful's affiliate program terms of service. Click here, read it. Same way, click on Printful privacy policy, read it as well, and then tick mark this. Then click on submit. Alright, so at this stage, your application has been sent to the Printful affiliate program team. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could approve you, and it could take between 2 to 3 business days. And how would you know that you have been approved? You will receive an email. So let me show you the email, how exactly it looks like. Well, here's the email. Your application was approved. And this is from Printful. Well, I did apply to them from my different email address a few days back, and I already got the approval. So here you get to see the commission rate confirmation. The minimum withdrawal amount is $25. Payments are made in USD via PayPal in 1 to 3 business days, and the other detail. And to access your affiliate dashboard, you simply have to click on affiliate dashboard from this link. Or you can also click on this button to affiliate dashboard. What it will do, it will redirect you to the sign in page. You can authenticate using the email account that you have used for the sign up. Well, let me complete the authentication myself. After completing the authentication, it will take me to the affiliate section within Printful account directly, and you'll be able to see this section, affiliate. Now, this section will only appear once you have received the confirmation, the approval from them. So you might want to pin this section. You also might want to bookmark this URL so that next time whenever you want to log into your affiliate account with Printful, you can simply use this URL and then authenticate using your email address. So you got the approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use your tracking link. To use it, you simply click on affiliate link from the affiliate section in here, and then it will show you the tracking link available for you. So here's the link that you can copy. You have an option to modify its text. As you can see, I have modified it to all about affiliate marketing. So like this, you can add it your tracking link and then copy it, share it with your audience, with your traffic. And if anyone uses this link and makes a sales, you get 10% of that amount as commission. Like this, you can also explore deep linking and sub-ID section as well if you want to have advanced tracking. And then from the affiliate section, you might want to click on advertising materials. Over here, you would be able to see different assets available by Printful. For example, there will be banner images, social media images, text, logos, footage. So you'll be able to see in here any asset that you want to utilize from here. You can download, but ensure you integrate these with your tracking link. If you just share this images and all, it will not track your activity. So this is how you can get your tracking link and integrate it along with your assets from Printful. Now the next question arises, where can you promote Printful? There are many ways, still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by them, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Maybe the homepage, maybe a category page, a page or a place where you feel like is more suited for your audience or your traffic. Go ahead with it. You also got blog. On blog, you could write blog posts about companies like Printful and then feature them, put your tracking link. So this way, when people would read, if they like, they click, they subscribe, bring sales to Printful, and of course, you get commission. Apart from it, you might want to create content related to print on demand tutorials, dropshipping guides, e-commerce software comparisons, and put them on your website or blog along with your tracking link to Printful, and it could help you generating the sales. In return, you get commission. Then you got social media. On social media, you might want to target platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. On these platforms, you could create a number of content. You could create videos, reels, shorts, and show your tracking link either in the description or the comment section. Then you got print on demand website. As an affiliate, if you have such a website available, then it will be a great fit for brands like Printful. Maybe you might want to feature them on your website on the homepage, and this will help people identify the best brand out there. And assuming you've integrated or featured them using your tracking link, when someone will click on it, they bring sales to Printful, you can receive commission on that. So this is how you can promote Printful. Well, promoting them is one thing, but getting the right traffic is always a challenge that most of the affiliates face. What's the point of promoting a brand if you're not getting the right traffic, meaning it will have less conversion, meaning you'll earn less commission? So I have mentioned top three traffic sources for Printful. The first one you got is YouTube. On YouTube, you might want to create content related to print on demand tutorials, Printful reviews, Shopify setup guides, and in those content of yours, you can slide in the discussion of Printful and share your tracking link or link to your online presence with those contents. So this way, people will be more inclined to check those online presence or tracking link of yours, and it is highly likely for them to convert into actual sales and you getting commission. Then you go to Google SEO. Whatever kind of content you're creating, wherever you're creating, ensure you keep it Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like print on demand, dropshipping, custom merchandise, Shopify, Etsy, and e-commerce, and it will help you bringing more sales towards Printful and you getting better commission. Then you got Pinterest. On Pinterest, you might want to create pins related to product design inspiration, online business ideas, print on demand products, and e commerce marketing tips. And you might want to add your online presence link directly there. This will help you to get the right traffic to your online presence, which will return go to Printful website. And if they bring sales, you'll get commission. So these are top three traffic sources for Printful, and this could help you getting the right traffic with higher conversion rate. Now, let's say you started bringing sales to Printful. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the affiliate dashboard of Printful once again. This time, you click on Overall from the affiliate section, and here you get to see unique clicks, sign up, active customers, affiliate sales, membership commission, bonus commission, paid commission, and pending commission. The statistics for last 7 days as well. You can click on view full statistics to have the idea, and then your affiliate link will also be here. This is bonus campaign. You can start this campaign to even earn better. Then you got statistics. So you can click on statistics to have detailed reporting knowledge, like it will show the overall, the trend of your commission, the geolocation, store integration, referring links, sub ID campaign, etc. And to receive the commission that you see in here, you can click on tax and legal, and you can read it thoroughly and submit your tax form. Once you have submitted your tax form, you can click on payout, and over here you can update your payment method. There should be a button over here that will allow you to submit your PayPal related details, and I think it will only appear once you have submitted your tax form. Then after, if you scroll down, you got custom landing page. Over here, you can also create a landing page of your own custom made. You can play it around and make some updates. Click on preview to see how it looks. And if you want to promote Printful or the products using this way, you can also do that. Then after, we got advertising guidelines. So you can click here to understand what you can do and what you can't do. And then you got FAQs. You can click here. So these are other set of FAQs to find the answer of any question that isn't covered in this video already. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Printful. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helps you in learning all about the affiliate program of Printful. And if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. Also, as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I've created for you that are free as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.